Hey Zeus, hey Cornelius. With the new Jurassic Park movie coming out next week, I don't know about you, but I'm in the mood for dinosaurs. So I think we should prepare for the movie. What? Zuru, Robo alive, Dino DNA. So we could be the mad scientist, or the happy scientist, and create our own dinosaur? I don't know what's about to happen, but I'm excited. I say, let's open it up! Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus by now. And today we're bringing you Zuru Robo Alive Dino DNA. I'm not sure, I was very fond of Zuru, and we've opened a lot of their stuff before. This is Unbox and Build Epic Dinos from Slime. Joy. It says there's 10 pieces. Light up DNA, helix slime. Again, this is one of those, the package got me. This could be used for other things. Like if you have a Wolverine Weapon X, this would be a good adamantium chamber or a back-to-tank or something. If the toy's no fun, I feel I can at least use packaging. It does show taking off the tail. Not yours, Zeus, the dinosaurs. Oh, it just unscrews. Ah! Oh dear God. Contents are electronic. Keep away from slime. Is slime flammable? Oh. Okay. What? Bring it up. It says keep away from slime, and the first thing I do is drop it in the slime. I'm good. Okay, here we go. Directions. Oh, that tail on that's its actual tail. That wasn't just part of the packaging. I love the directions. Step 1 is remove the tail from the outside of the packaging, and step 2 is open this. You can't even get the directions out until you open it. Let's put this bad boy together. I'm afraid this table could be green for quite some time. Sir? You can't have this. Do all my own sound effects. It's actually a nicer looking dinosaur than I thought. One of the coolest things I've ever seen as an accessory is this little canister of DNA. And yes, I'm going to use it for this toy. But after that, am I immediately going to give it to my Marvel Legends Mr. Sinister action figure? Yes. But now, this goes in here somehow. Okie dokie. So, here is our dinosaur friend. His name is Vincent the Velociraptor. This little DNA canister goes inside. And then you turn it, and it lights up. Off. And now we have on. Overall, I'm impressed. Like, the main, you just put together a dinosaur is something I feel we've done before. I think, and even the get it out of slime. I will say though, you get a ton of, you get your money's worth out of the slime. My favorite part of this is this little light up DNA canister, because again, on its own, that is really cool. Well, I don't know about you, but this made me even more dino ready. So, thank you so much for watching. And make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More prehistoric wonders, genetic manipulation, and ooh. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Ew, I just flung that onto Cornelius' thigh. You're welcome. Blech. And here we have our Zuru Robo Alive Dino DNA. And this is the DNA Velociraptor is what it says on the pack. Yeah, we're gonna call it Velociraptor. Possibly a Utah Raptor, Deinonychus. It looks much larger, but you know, dino nerd. And here he is with his little DNA container all lit up. I wish my DNA glow in the dark. Okay, maybe I don't. That might not end well.